Student, now let us begin our new chapter, data handling. Okay, we have already learned so many things in this data handling, so once again we have to repeat it. Data means collecting information of a number. Collecting information, if we are talking about the data in our recently that our 10th and 12th board exam declare, so whatever the information is came that in original form, that is called our raw data. Or after what the process on 90s line whose came and 80s line whose came, we are arranging in descending order, that is called your arrayed data. Okay, now third thing, range means difference of highest and lowest observation. Whatever the data is coming and you have to look at the highest one and lowest one, and after that you subtract it, that is called the range. Okay, frequency, suppose 90s line how many students has came, 92's line, that how number of time the observation occur, that is called your frequency. Okay, mean, median and mode, you will learn in this chapter mean, median and mode step by step according to the exercise. Okay, so mean, median and mode, it means central tendency. Whatever the data is came, so we are finding just average value of using this three method of our data. Okay, so let us begin our exercise 3.1. or 3.1 is a based on our mean and 3.2 is a based on our median, mode. Now see this first question, find the range of the data. This is the given. Okay, so what you have to do, this is the raw data, it is given in original one condition. Now you change in descending order so that it become your data arrayed data. Okay, but no need to arrange because you write because in this question is asking only range. So find the greatest one digit. Which one is the greatest digit? This 30 is your greatest digit, this is the highest one, and lowest one, this is the 6. Okay, now you have to subtract 30 minus 6 from highest, then you have to subtract smallest one observation, then you will get here 24 the answer of this data, and this is the range of this data. Understood now how can you do? This is the lowest term and this is your highest term. Clear? How to find the range? Organize the following prices of the DVD in rupees in tabular form. The tabular form में दे रखी है, ठीक है. First, it will be easy if we will arrange this raw data in arrayed data. सबसे पहले raw data को arrayed data में arrange करूँगे तो you give the easily your answers. How is it possible? See, it first you have to find lowest term and highest term. Which one is the lowest term? Not lowest data, sorry, lowest data 70 is your lowest data. Okay, and highest data is your 100. How can you arrange this type of data? See, lowest 70, how many times is there? You just count it. 1, I'm arranging here 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 70 is came 6 times. Okay, next one 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 80 came 5 times. Okay, this is the frequency which one I writing here in with multiplication sign. Okay, now next one 90. 90 is here. 90 is 1 and 2 times. 90 is 1 and 2 times. Okay, now 100. 1, 2. 100 is came only 2 times. Now you have to count your frequency once. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. Okay, now you just cross check with your data. You have to count it this data also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It means our frequency are correct. This is the way to check like that your data is correct or not. So see, this is called your frequency and this is your lowest term, and we have done in already in array, we arranged this data in array data. Okay, now what is the answer? What is the maximum price of DVD? What is the maximum price of DVD? You can look out and you know the very well answer. Highest one 100, so answer is your 100. Minimum price 70. Range of data यानी 100 minus 70. Bigger में से smaller को subtract करना है. Subtract from highest data from lowest. Okay, then you will get here 30. Find the mean price of the DVD. How to find the mean? Look at this question. Already we arranged like that now. So simply you have to do So the formula of your mean, sum of all observation divided with total number of observation. Sum of all observation, which one? Which means here is a given this data, you have to add them all. So here we are already arranged in array data, so we are using this one, okay, for adding this data. And how many times total, how many times what is the frequency is there, so you have to divide, we have to arrange sum of all observation and how many times frequency, total frequency, you know it 15, so you have to divide this observation by 15, then you will get here, after solution you will get here 80. So mean is your 80. Understood now how to find this mean of these data? Okay, now question number 3. Find the mean of the first 5 prime number. Find the mean of the first 5 prime number. What is the first 5 prime number? First 2 even prime number, then 3, 5, 7 and 11. These are the first 5 prime number. So you know, you add them first and after divide. How many prime numbers are there? 5. We are dividing total number of observation. So you have to divide with this 5. Okay, you will get the answer. The number of teachers in 10 schools in a town like that is given. The number of teachers in 10 school in a town like that it is given. Okay, find the mean of the number of the teacher in the town. What you will do, you are finding a mean, sum of all the number and divided with this 10 because the total number of observation is your 10. Question number 5. The number of bulb tube light repaired by a group of electrician in a week. See, okay, so here is given some data, number of bulbs and tube light repaired by a group in electrician in a week. So highest and the lowest number of bulb tube light repaired by the group. So here you have to find the highest and lowest number. So once you arrange this data in array data, okay, after array data what you will do, find the highest and lowest number of bulb. After finding, then easily you can find range, and after range you know the how to find the mean number, sum of all the number and divided with this total number. Next question, question number 6. Which question I am not explaining, you can do easily that question, that's why I am leaving. Okay, as a practice you can solve it. If any problem you are facing, we will discuss through WhatsApp group. Okay, now question number 6. Mahesh played 3 basketball games. In the first game he scored 9 points, in the second game he scored 13 points, in the third game 8 points. What is the average point per game? So you know the average means you are finding a mean, so add them all points, which one Mahesh got. 9 plus 13 plus 8, and how many times he played? 3 times, so just divide with this 3. Whatever the answer is came, that is the average of his played game. Okay, now question number 7. The enrollment in a college during 5 consecutive years. This is during 5 consecutive years. Find the mean enrollment of the college in these 5 years. So you know here also we are finding a mean enrollment this college this 5 years. So mean निकालना है, तो क्या करेंगे, sum of all these years and divided with this total year. How many times? 5 years here, तो इनको add करके 5 का divide लगाना है. Question number 8. The temperature of a city for a week was recorded as follow. Temperature is given and recorded it is given also. तो find the range of the temperature in about data. Range कैसे निकालेंगे? Smallest में से greatest को greatest में से smallest को subtract करेंगे. Which one is your greatest number? This is your greatest number and this is your smallest number. You have to subtract this 40.5 में से क्या करेंगे, 31 को subtract करेंगे. Then you will get the range of this data. Okay. Find the mean of the temperature for the week. So add them and divide it with 7. Okay. How many days was the temperature more than the mean temperature? So on how many days the temperature more than the mean temperature? So you have to check from this 36.6 degrees centigrade. It's a greater कौन से digit है. So 1, 2, 3 and this is the 37. Also how many days are there? 4 days. So here the answer is your 4 days the temperature is more than the mean temperature. Okay, understood now? Now next question number 9. 7, 10 and 11. If you are facing any problem, then you can ask me. Okay, for in this question, how to find this mean, it is given only the data. So you have to multiply this frequency. 3 is repeating 12 times, 4 is repeating 10 times, 5 is repeating 7 times, and 6 is repeating 11 times. So what is the process of finding for this data? ऐसे करना है तुम्हें. 3 multiplied by 12 plus 4 multiplied by 10 plus 5 multiplied by 7 plus 6 multiplied by 11, and after that write divided by total frequency. Total frequency means कैसे निकालोगे? You add them all the number 12, 10, 7 and 11. After adding, just divide with this number. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 12 आएगा, 10, 7 and 11. So complete this exercise. If we are getting any problem, we will discuss through WhatsApp, personally.